There's this style that I did a year or so back when I had my dyed hair, and I saw it the other day and I was like, I love it. Like, I absolutely love that style. So I brought it back. I brought it back. I think with the color, it gives it a little bit more edge.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Every now and then I do a little video of styling my locks. I'm gonna do a high bun. I'm gonna use a donut. I want curls, so I'm gonna use a few of these. I don't have the proper hairpins, but definitely gonna be using some hairpins in the bun. Now I know some people are against that because obviously maybe it might loosen some or whatever, but I'm just gonna do a quick style, and when you know better, you do better. For now, this is what I'm gonna do. A hair tie, obviously. Now again, there's ways I'm sure that you could just put your hair up in a ponytail without the hair tie and tie it with the actual lock itself. I'm not that advanced yet. To keep the curls, I use this. I find this works like the best. This worked for my hair when it was loose natural, and I find it works the best even with my locks. Or I do have another one. I'm not sure. It's the same Lotta Body, but I don't know how I feel about it. I think in terms of the strength is probably different. This is probably stronger, and this is probably more watered down. This one, it says with coconut and shea oils. Creates soft wraps, defines curls. You know what? Maybe I'll try this just to experiment. My hair's a little itchy because I just got it retightened, right? So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my scalp. I know for a fact, see how I have a bald spot here? I always like some curls to hang right around here. So basically what's happening here is I am just selecting here around the circumference of my face of where I want my curls. So the next thing I do, I literally flip my hair upside down. Just looking for a scrunchie. I put it. There's a big one, and I'll go around twice. Try to get this out of the way. So for the rest of my hair, I'm literally going to just finger comb. Try to get it as neat as possible. Don't go too tight because you don't want your head to hurt you later on. I usually flip my head over upside down, but because I'm doing a video, I don't want to be off camera. So what I like is some curls to hang at the back. Loosen it a little bit, and then I'm going to tie it with this. Very loosely though. It's stretchy, so it doesn't have to be tight. All right, that's my first step, the donut. So what I do is just put the donut over. Pretty simple, right? There you go. Now what I'm trying to do is pull the hair so it's in all directions, all around the donut, because I'm going to start to twist. So I mean, you could kind of go under the donut and try to see if you can push it in, you know what I mean? And then just keep going like that and push in underneath whatever you can push in. Right? So basically here I'm pushing and tucking, trying to get it underneath neatly as possible. So this is what it looks like right now. And then you're ready to pretty much go through and see what you have to fix up, okay? I have some short ones that come out of place. So this is where I personally use the hairpins. Or if you can tuck it in, you can tuck it in, okay? Now I basically take it from the base and then kind of like push into the donut where it is. And I do that until I feel like, okay, I don't think it's gonna move. I'm not going for a messy bun, but I'm not going for, oh my God, it's gotta be 100% perfect. Okay, so that is done. The next step is to curl your hair or to add the Lotta Body. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna soak my locks. Okay, no, one is good because they're so small. And I'm literally going down my locks. And then I'm gonna wrap it. I think they have a smaller one, like a yellow. I probably will have to invest in a yellow one because I even think that this is too big. But what I'm gonna do is literally just wrap it. And twist it. So there it is. At this point, all I'm doing is twisting and repeating until I collect all the hairs that I had loose. And then wait, like maybe about a good hour or so. So I'm gonna try to do my baby hairs next. The product I'm using is this one. I'm not a fan of it. It does leave some white flakes, and it says it doesn't, but it does keep my baby hairs in place just with white flakes. And obviously I'm going to use one of these. Alrighty, brush down my hair, then I take some on my hand and I literally just plaster it on. I take the brush side and I brush it down again. Now I'm gonna take the comb side, which is this side. And honestly, guys, this is all I do. Come down, drag it. Did that even go properly? Because I'm trying to do it in the camera and not actually see what I'm doing. Hold on, let's try it again. So I come down, I drag it. See that? Okay. Come down, drag it. See? Come down, drag it. Okay, I could do one more here, drag it. There you go, you got it. And then for this little piece, that doesn't mean nothing. Just, yeah, kind of swoop it. Okay, so that's one side. So you can see what it looks like. And now for the next side, I do the same thing. Come down, drag it. Come down, drag it. Sometimes one side is better than the other. They don't have to be twins. Drag it. Come down, drag it. Come down, drag it. See that? Should I do another one? I'll do another one. Drag it. So that's what it's looking like on that side. And then of course, come back down here and just kind of give it a swoop. Okay, that's my baby hairs, nothing else. So I take a tie. Try not to tie it too tight, because if it's too tight, then you're gonna get left with those marks. And if there's another way of doing this, again, please comment below. I'm always up to trying different things. Okay, and literally, I just take it like that. And then tie it at the back. And leave it until I'm ready to get out. All right, I feel like if I stay home any longer, I'm not gonna get outside and be able to experience this nice weather that we're having. I'm impatient, and I knew I was gonna be strapped for time. But this is the baby hair once you tie it down. Pretty nice. The white stuff usually don't come until later, but it actually does usually stay. But because it's so hot outside, I'm not sure if it's going to. So let's see if these curls came out. Again, I don't mind. Oh, see, that's not bad. I don't mind these type of curls if it's loose but like hanging or whatever. I'm scared to unravel it. You know, I'm gonna just leave it because I'm scared to unravel it. Sometimes when you unravel and they're not completely dry, that's when you just lose it. Let's go with this one. Ooh, I like this one. I think this one I could separate. Oh, good. In the past, I think I separated it and it didn't work, so that's why you see me like embracing. But uh-oh. What happened? Is it, am I screwing it the wrong way? But anyway, look at that. I really, ooh, I like it. I'm such a nerd. Okay, let's keep going. Even in our older age as women, we still like to look a little half decent and a little cute, or even like, you know. So now I feel like, oh, I look cute, I could do a TikTok. Oh, see if I can find a quick one that I could play with. But yeah, this is what I like. I just like having, I'm a curl girl. I like curls. Curly Sue, whatever you want to call it. I'm in love with it. So the only thing wrong with this hairstyle right now is, as you've seen, the back where it needs shaving. But apart from that, I'm liking everything else. And you know what, guys? It was the foam. It's the foam I used, right? Which I was like, I don't know. But I think I will give the foam a second chance, because this is without a blow dryer. And probably what, an hour time. Okay, so okay, wow. So the curls are not all one size, and some are loose and some are tight, but I mean, honestly, this is what I like. I like it just like random. So the part I'm talking about is the back here, all this little fuzz ball right here. I would really like to probably go to my barber and get him to just shape it down so that it could actually just lie flat. But do you see, like, it's so thin here. Wow, that's how you know you have thin hair. Let me see this side. Oh yeah, look at that. So much space, but it is what it is. What am I gonna do, right? So this is the style. Hey guys, so it's literally like the end of the night. Everything kind of stayed intact. As you see, the baby hairs still kicking. I mean, I do have the ability to leave it and let it stay for tomorrow, but I'm the type of person that likes my hair to breathe. I didn't make it to the barber, but the back of my head, this little thing, is actually driving me crazy. So I'm gonna see if I can quickly shave it myself. Females, you know what this is. And it has the smaller clipper, and then it has this clipper, so that obviously the gauge is not that low. Regardless, it's low. But this is what I'm gonna use to shave the back of my head right now. It's not like I want to style or anything. I just want, so hopefully you guys can see, and hopefully I can see. I just want it to be trimmed low. Let's start. Look, it's already making a difference. All that's already came off. Let's go again.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is the one.
So much better than what it was looking like. I'm good with this. And I saved money. Didn't go to the barber. This was nice for today. Let's take down time. I like my hair to calm down and just breathe. So that's it. That's it. Like, share, subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Let me see if I can keep delivering.